So students, let's continue with next topic, that is family Solanaceae. So this family includes tomato, potato, brinjal, all comes under this family. Tobacco also, okay. So in this family mainly vegetables come, like chili also, okay, bell pepper, just shimla mirch, okay. So these are the examples of family Solanaceae. Then we will discuss its characteristic. So class is dicotyledon. It is not monocotyledon, it is dicotyledon. Now flower. So flower may be ebracteate or bracteate. Ebracteate or it can be एक्चुअली सोलेनेसी फैमिली में इसके हम लोग फीचर्स डिस्कस करें. इसमें कौन कौन से प्लांट्स हैं मैंने बता दिया, पोटैटो, टमाटो, टोबैको, कैप्सिकम. अब इस प्लांट्स की क्या क्या फीचर्स होते हैं जो सोलेनेसी फैमिली में जो मैंने बताया प्लांट्स आ रहे हैं उसके क्या फीचर्स होते हैं वो हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे. तो फ्लावर कैसे होते, इट मे बी ईब्रैक्टिएट और ब्रैक्टिएट, पेडिसिलेट means pedicel is there, pedicellate, and one more term I have told you difference between pedicellate and peduncle. And what is the symmetry? Actinomorphic. What do you mean by the term actinomorphic? Actinomorphic means cut from any plane. Okay, it can be cut from any plane. Radial symmetry. And zygomorphic, bilateral symmetry. Sometimes, rarely it is zygomorphic. Okay, next is hypogynous. Flower is hypogynous. We have discussed hypogynous, perigynous, epigynous. Okay, and pentamerous. Okay, let's discuss. Now come to calyx. So flower is maybe ebracteate, bracteate हो सकता है, pedicellate, symmetry is actinomorphic, and it is hypogynous. Next is calyx. What it is calyx? Here 5. Now tell, अब वो फ्यूज है कि फ्री है. It is gamosapalous means fuse. Gamosapalous means it is few. Calyx persistent. Calyx persistent means मतलब फ्रूट्स में भी वो पाया जाएगा. Calyx persistent in fruit. Persistent calyx, students, I am showing this is brinjal, belongs to Solanaceae family. This is ripen ovary. हम लोग जो खाते हैं ये ओवरी है, ripen ovary. और ये persistent calyx है, मतलब फ्रूट में भी कैलिक्स है अभी भी. persistent calyx क्लियरली यहाँ दिख रहा है. एंड इट इज gamosapalous मीन्स फ्यूज कैलिक्स. दिस इज सेम थिंग टमाटो में भी हम लोग देखेंगे persistent calyx. टमाटो देखो ऐसे उस पर भी दिखता है. सो इट इज़ persistent calyx, मतलब कैलिक्स इज प्रेजेंट इवन आफ्टर फ्रूट ओवरी राइपन. फ्रूट में भी हम लोग को कैलिक्स दिख रहा है. सो इट इज़ persistent calyx. Understood? Now what about estivation? This we have studied. Estivation, valvate. And what is estimation? Arrangement of sepals or petals in floral buds. And the estivation is here velvet. Next come to corolla. कोरोला कैसा होता है इसमें? 5. It is free or fused? It is also fused. So means gamopetalous. Petals are fused. Okay. And what else? There can be estivation. इसका भी estivation is valvate. So 5 petals are there और सारे petals क्या है? Fuse है. Estivation क्या है? Valvate. Next come to androecium. Androecium, how many stamens are there? 5. And 4 are also there, but is rare. Okay. And they are free. Free means polyandrous. One more point, epipetalous. So epipetalous means androecium is fused with petalous. Okay, epipetalous. And anther कैसे होते हैं? Bythecus and basifix. This one is enough. Next come to gynoecium. So what about gynoecium? Important. It is bicarpillary. Bicarpillary and syncarpous fuse. Carpels are fuse. Now very important term, ovary superior or inferior? Ovary is here superior. Very important, remember. And what else? The placentation is axile. Placentation is axials. And very important property, characteristic features is placenta is swollen. Placenta is swollen. Important property, important features. ठीक है? Placenta is swollen. And last one is fruit. Fruit called here is berry. Example, tomato. So this is about family Solanaceae. Now next we will discuss is floral formula. This floral formula. So we have studied the features. The plant may be bracteate or ebracteate. So we will write this bracteate or ebracteate. Then it is zygomorphic or actinomorphic. It is actinomorphic. Listen student, I have I have symbols I have sent you ना, floral symbols याद रखना, then you will be able to understand. Okay, it shows actinomorphic. Learn all the symbols. Then it is bisexual. Then calyx. सबसे पहले calyx, यही सीरीज होनी चाहिए, ये नहीं कि पहले calyx लिख दिया. Okay, calyx. Now what are the features of calyx? They are 5 and it is gamosepalous means. Then come to corolla. calyx के बाद ही corolla, सीरीज सेम होना चाहिए. Okay, then it is also 5 and they are gamopetalous. gamopetalous ऐसे शो करेंगे ब्रैकेट में. corolla कितने हैं, पेटल्स कितने हैं, 5 दिस. और क्या है ये, गैमो है, फ्यूज है, तो ये ब्रैकेट में जाएगा. ओके, देन कम टू एंड्रोशियम. कितने स्टेमेंस हैं, 5 स्टेमेंस. एंड स्टेमेंस आर फ्री, दे आर पॉलीएंड्रस. नाउ कम टू गाइनोशियम. ओके, कितने कार्पिलरी, बाय कार्पिलरी 2. ओके, नाउ they are syncarpus. syncarpus it will come in bracket. Then it is ovary superior. ovary superior it means it will come here. ये superior, अगर inferior होता तो ये ऊपर डैश जाता. so bracteate और ebracteate, this sign show actinomorphic. symbol सब याद कर लो, मैंने टेबल दिया तुम लोगों को. and this shows bisexual. calyx कितने, 5 है and they are fused gamosepalous. corolla means petals are 5 and they are also gamopetalous. androecium is 5 and stamen 5 and the gynoeciums bicarpillary. ovary superior show कर रहा है and syncarpus. one more I have told, epipetalous means पेटल्स जो हैं कोरोला से अटैच है. स्टेमेन अटैच टू पेटल्स, सो एपिपेटल्स विल शो लाइक दिस. एंड्रोशियम है, ये स्टेमेन है, स्टेमेन पेटल से अटैच है, सो दिस इज नोन एज एपिपेटलस. नाउ नेक्स्ट कम टू फ्लोरल डायग्राम. It should be same like this. Now first we will draw from calyx. So they are 5. Two, 3, 4, 5. It is estivation is velvet. Okay, and what I have said, calyx 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and they are fused. And estivation is velvet. Okay, इस डायग्राम को देख के हम लोग को पूरी डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगी. वी विल गेट द डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट सोलेनियसी, होल डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट सोलेनियसी. नेक्स्ट कम टू corolla. 5 corolla are there. थोड़ा सा अरेंजमेंट हो गया. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so corolla are also 5 and they are gamopetalous. Next come to androecium. So stamens are epipetalous, means they are joined to petals. Stamens are joined to petals. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so these are stamens. Next come to very important feature. ये थोड़ा और बड़ा बनाना था. Gynoecium. Students, I have to draw this here. I am drawing this here. Swollen placentation is there. Okay. It should be here. It is a important feature. Swollen placenta. Swollen placenta and ओवरी. ये ओब्लिक होना चाहिए, स्ट्रेट नहीं. ओवरी ओब्लिकली प्लेस्ड. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स. And if there is mother axis, and if bracteate is there, then we will draw bracteate. ओके, ये चीज़ यहाँ होना चाहिए. सो bicarpillary and swollen placenta, ovary is obliquely placed. It is very important. Now come to economic importance. In economic importance, what is there? Vegetables, source of vegetables, potato, tomato and capsicum. This all we cook, okay, etc. Chilies, they are mostly edible. Second, medicinal properties. Belladonna. Belladonna for dilating pupil. And next is datura. Datura, it is drugs, okay, for relaxing bronchial muscles. It gives alkaloid. थर्ड इज अश्वगंधा, विथानिया सोमनीफेरा, विथानिया सोमनीफेरा, अश्वगंधा. What is the cure? Rheumatism. So students, this is all about features of Solanaceae. Identifying features is persistent calyx, after fruit formation. So this is all about